Do you have either a worn out shock or strut? Well, let's find out. This is a shock and this is a strut. And a car typically has either both shocks, both struts, or it has one and the other. And here are a few symptoms. If your car is bouncing way too much over bumps, my van has shocks in the back and it bounced again. So I should replace them. My Tahoe here settled quickly and it did not bounce again. So these shocks are good. Your steering wheel is shaking a little bit. And this could be an indicator that you may need new shocks or struts. Your car clunks when you back up. You may have way too much body roll when you go around corners, or when you stop, your car nosedives. Or maybe your suspension squeaks over bumps. One thing you should do every 50,000 miles is inspect your shock and struts. So let's go ahead and do a visual inspection. This is a spring and shock, and that's what we call a strut when they're combined together. First thing you can check is the bushing. If the bushing is worn way too much, that could very well cause noise while driving. The bushing on the bottom end can also be worn. If there's dents on the shaft itself, that could very well cause a shock not to perform correctly. One thing you can do is shake it and see if it moves. And if it moves, that is an issue because your bushing is not working properly. The seal can also leak fluid. Same goes for the shock. These bushings are a little corroded, but it's not so bad. And if you have hydraulic fluid come down a shock, then they definitely need to be replaced because both these suspension components perform with hydraulic fluid. That's what dampens the car whenever it goes up and down over bumps or around corners. Another visual inspection you can do is check if there's even wear throughout the tire. If the suspension moves around a lot, most likely the wear won't be even on your tire. Another uneven wear you can check is basically a ripple effect. What that means is that when your suspension is bouncing up and down, you'll have some parts of your tire that is more worn down than other parts of your tire. Both the front and the rear shocks are pretty easy to replace and definitely doable by a DIYer. And if this video helped you out, then like it and share it to somebody who might need it. This is Chris AutoMotivate. Always appreciate and respect one another. I'll see you next time.